Many organizations deploy devices behind firewalls, NAT, or in isolated networks. This makes troubleshooting, monitoring, or updating devices challenging, especially at scale. ShellHub's web endpoint feature solves this problem. With a few clicks, you can create a web endpoint for any internal HTTP service, even if the device is behind NAT or a firewall. No VPNs, no complex network changes. Here's how it works. From the ShellHub dashboard, click on Web Endpoints. Click Create Web Endpoint and specify the IP and HTTP port. After that, select the remote device which provides the HTTP service you want to expose. You can set a timeout or enable TLS if you want. You'll receive a unique HTTPS URL mapped to your internal service. All connections are encrypted. Click the link, and magically, you'll be able to access the exposed HTTP service. If you need secure HTTP access to your devices, visit shellhub.io, request a demo, or sign up to try Web Endpoint today.